name is Eleanor, and this is the auditorium. We have assemblies in here. And Vapa.
Hi, my name is Julian, and this is the cafeteria. We eat here for lunch and rainy days.
Hi there, I'm Miss Ann, your librarian. I've been at the Ocean Beach Elementary Library for about 8 years. My role here, first and foremost, is to get these kids excited about reading.
And what is one of your favorite books that you read to class?
One of my favorite books that I've read to y'all, that's a good question. It's hard to narrow it down. I do enjoy Billy's Bucket from time to time by Cass Gray.
Oh, thank you.